In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Power BI to either US or UK step by step. Whether you're working with international datasets or personalizing reports for your local region, adjusting the date format is a crucial skill to make your data clear and accessible. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Power BI on your computer. If you haven't got it open already, take a moment now to launch the application. Once you have Power BI open, it's time to navigate to the data that your graph or chart is using. Locate and click on the specific dataset or table you're working with. This is essential, as the changes we make will need to be applied directly to the data source connected to your visuals. Once you've found your data, right-click on the specific piece of data you're considering. This could be a particular column or field where you need the date format adjustment. This right-click action will bring up a context menu where we can make further selections. From the context menu that appears, you need to click on Measure. This option lets you create dynamic metrics and calculations based on your data. Selecting Measure is the doorway to inputting your custom configurations, allowing us to customize that date format setting. Now let's focus on actually performing the count you might need by typing a DAX measure. If you want to count the occurrences of a particular category, you will enter something like count of category equals count followed by parentheses containing your table name and the specific category column name. So it will look something like this. Count of category equals count your table name category column name. Ensure you replace your table name and category column name with the actual names of your table and column. This is a key formula, so type it out carefully, checking for any typos, and ensuring it matches the names exactly as they appear within your dataset. After you've inputted the measure, you'll want to make sure everything is correct by examining your calculated results and ensuring they match your expectations. It's a good habit to double check if the measure is performing as intended by visualizing it in a chart or table within your report. That wraps up our quick walkthrough of changing the date format in Power BI to align with US or UK standards, and using measures to count specific categories within your data. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and how to apply these settings. As always, practice makes perfect. So try this out with your datasets to become more comfortable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials.